welcome to this demo video in which we will demonstrate CloudSense bulk editing in action and show how easily you can add an IPVPN access site, import multiple sites, and do bulk changes in the grid view of solution management. We start by entering Account in CloudSense. Navigate to the TD Invest account and open the already created opportunity. This is where we create our new solution. From the list of solutions, we select IPVPN. So now the IPVPN solution has been added, along with a contract term length that will be propagated to all other components. Then a new access component needs to be added. We start by selecting the address, the technology, which in this case is fiber, and, depending on the technology, the bandwidth. After all other required attributes have been entered, the configuration is valid. If you want to add multiple sites, all you need to do is prepare a spreadsheet like this one with all the attributes pre-populated, e.g. address, site, technology, and bandwidth, and import it directly into CloudSense. Click the Import button, select the spreadsheet, and the import is done in just a few seconds. Now you can see that everything has been imported, and we can navigate to the grid view where bulk changes can be made easily. For example, we selected 200 megabits for all of our configurations. Now we select all configurations and change this bandwidth to 1 gigabit. We apply this to all selected configurations, and with a single change we have applied a bandwidth across all of our sites. We can also perform changes on selected sites. For example, if you deselect everything, as shown here, you can sort everything by site and can make changes only on Liverpool sites. There are 3 sites here, so we select them. And we can now change the contract term to 36 months and apply that solely to those 3 sites. You can also see that there is one item that is not yet configured, and that is Internet. So we add one configuration for Internet, and then we calculate everything all together. Configurations are now being created and rules are being executed on Heroku. When all the business rules are executed, we can continue on our journey. We can see all the prices here for each component. So now we synchronize everything with Opportunity. Now that we are back in the Opportunity, we can see the product basket here with all the products that we added to it listed. Now we are ready to generate the quote. A few seconds after clicking the button, quotes with all sites and prices are generated for our customer. Here you can see a list of all sites and all prices in a single auto-generated document.